Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can track your order in CNFANS. So first of all, you'll have to open your browser and go to cnfans.com, and then you'll have to log in with your account. So from the home page, you'll have to go to your profile icon at the top right. You'll have to press on that, and then you can go to my order or you can go to my account. So either way it is the same. So from my account, you will see a bunch of options at the left side. So from here you will see your orders, your parcel also. So let's go to parcel, and after clicking on it you will see your parcel status. Like if it is in processing mode, you'll see in processing, if it is in payment, and then if it is in paid, if it is shipped, if it is received, you'll see here as well. So if you go to orders, you'll see all of your orders here, and here you'll see your tracking number or tracking ID as well. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to copy that tracking ID, and then you'll have to go to this website, simply google aftership.com, and then here you can paste your tracking number and then press track my order, and it will be able to track your order, and it will be able to show you where your order currently is. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.